Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and I figured since it's so beautiful outside, I would come out here and do this. I got my Ipsy Glambag in yesterday, but I had the first time I've actually, well, technically it's the third time I've left the house this month, but it's the most I've left the house all like year. So I had a whole bunch of stuff to do yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to film an unboxing or anything. I did record using one of the products yesterday after a shower, and then I recorded like this makeup today using some of the products. So I will include clips of that as I talk about each one. Mine came with all these like weird like tape circular things on it. And I mean, it was sealed. I guess because it was extra thick that they put extra tape on it. So it's okay, I got it. Inside, and like I said, I've already done a look with these products. I'm wearing 2 of them right now. I totally forgot I had a brush, so I didn't use the brush. One of these items is it's not an add-on, I used points for it. So let me grab the card out. It says, "Celebrate You March 2020. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th glam bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we've added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open your 6 glam bag picks valued at $50+ and cue the confetti. It's time to have some fun." This hashtag Ipsy celebrates you. And then there's more information on the back. So since I already have this out, the first item here, it's actually the second one on the card. It's from Firma Beauty. It's an Elite B203 concealer brush. I'd probably use it as an eyeshadow brush. It looks like my Sigma, is it E30, E35, something like that. That's what I actually used to do this look today. And it is a full size. It retails for $12.99. So that was nice. The item that I bought like 2 months ago that I just got, this was points. This is the Eye Balm Lemon Verbena Clay Mask. I love the smell of lemon verbena, so I figured I would test it out. It says this is a clay mask that it cleanses impurities and removes dead skin cells while soothing the skin. And it says 28 grams or 1 ounce. Well, 30 grams I do believe is an ounce, but whatever. I can't find a website for this. I can't find where they sell this product. I have looked and looked and looked and looked, and there's no like website listed on here. I spent 600 points to get this because it said that I had like so many points that were expiring soon, so I had to spend some. So the actual first item that's in here, oh, in the bag, this like screams like late 80s, early 90s to me with the damn studs and the coloring and the lime green. This screams like my childhood. So the first item here, now I did take it like a look at it outside of the bubble wrap. This is the old packaging. This is the Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in Americano. I am not going to use this. It is like way too dark for me. What the hell was that? What is it, MM? I know, I heard it too. Why are you running over here to me? Is it gonna get you? Did it get you? Okay. This is their Americano bronzer. It is 10 grams. It says it's a deluxe sample. It's not. It's just their, hey, I'm filming here. No, ma'am. The mail lady just turned around in the neighbor's yard. Probably forgot something. So it says the Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in Americano deluxe sample full size version is 10 grams for $35. That's in the new packaging. This is their old packaging. They haven't used this packaging in well over a year. So I'm guessing this product is their old packaging, old stock that they're just trying to get rid of. So this actually, the Godet form of this is 25, so I'm guessing the older packaging was either 25 or 35, but I will not be using this. I will be selling it on Depop just because of the simple fact that it's too dark for me. And I know that it's too dark for me because I have other products from Ofra, and I've also seen some of the reviews on Ipsy stating that with fair skin that the bronzer was too dark, and looking at it, it's going to be too dark and too orange for me. So there's no point in me even opening it. The next is from Caolion, I'm not quite sure. It says Blackhead 02 Bubble Pore Pack. Now, I finally did find this on their website, and it says this is an MSRP of $26. The website had it for $14.49, so I think Ipsy lied, or the company gave them the wrong whatever. This is 15 grams or 0.53 ounces. So this is worth $4.35. It says blackheads. We've sent them packing before. I don't have blackheads. I have sebaceous filaments on my nose, and that's it. It says we sent them packing before, and they just can't take the hint. Made with ginkgo biloba extract carried in micro oxygen bubbles. This mask purifies and refines pores, eliminating blackheads and whiteheads, and exfoliates away dead skin cells for an all-over glow. So I'll be using like these masks and stuff as like first impression videos, so you'll see those another time. The next is like the main eyeshadow that I have on. It is from Naked Cosmetics. This is their Mica Pigment in Mother Nature in 05. Now, when I looked on their website for the singles of these, they're actually like loose shadows. This is a pressed pigment. It is a really pretty bronzy color that's like neutral enough, but it's basically what I have all over my lid. This is 3 grams or 0.1 ounce, and something just bit the shit out of me. I mean, I am sitting on the sidewalk outside in a pair of shorts. This is $14.99, and I will include a clip of this with me using it. It says, in case you had any doubts, this all-natural pro-quality pressed pigment eyeshadow is proof that clean cosmetics are just as legit as conventional kinds. The champagne pressed pigment goes on opaque with just your finger, and it's flattering on every eye color and shape. Trust. And it is. It's a nice product. I liked it. And it went on perfectly fine with a blending brush. This is actually the item I picked. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is 10 milliliters. Now, they sell this size on Sephora for $20. The full size retails for $68, and it's usually 50 milliliters. This is what I tried yesterday after my shower before I had to run out and do vet and returns and vote. It says, true to its names, this luxurious cream majorly ups your skin's dew factor. It smells like lavender. For dry, dull skin in some need of some TLC. It's packed with ceramides to reinforce your skin's protective barrier. Okinawa algae to draw in moisture, and Japanese purple rice to give your skin a major glow. So I did use this yesterday. I've been having like dry spots like right here, and like breakouts on my chin that come up and, you know, heal and then peel. So I thought this would be nice for that. After using it the first time, I didn't notice like a huge amount of dew to my skin, but I was wearing a helmet, I was sweating my butt off, I was on the motorcycle for like 4 hours yesterday, so I was like on and off of it. Oak tree stuff falling in the bag. The last item in here, which I ended up putting back in the bubble wrap, this is from Shaina B Miami. It's a highlighter in Guava Glow. This actually comes in a palette. The palette itself is on their website for $23. The shade is beautiful. I actually put this on the front part of this eye, in the center of this eye, and underneath the front of both eyes, as well as a highlight. It's a really pretty shade. And I tried to swatch it on my hand, and it barely shows up. It's a very natural highlighter. The palette is 4.5 grams for $29. According to this, it's not, it's 23. So this is 3 grams. It's worth $3.83. It says, say hello to the multitasking powder in your makeup bag needs this spring. This luminous highlighter adds instant radiance and youthful rosiness to your skin. Plus, the highly pigmented formula never looks streaky or patchy. and it's easy to blend and build. And it did blend just fine, and trying to build it up, it's definitely a little bit more sheer than my taste, but I liked it, and I will continue to use it. The 2 masks and stuff, like I said, I will have to test them out and do like first impression videos of them, and then wrap-ups later with them. The bronzer I will be selling on Depop or my website, or probably both. So if you're interested, I will sell it for the $25 that, you know, Ofra sells it for. I'm not gonna like jack up the price or anything, and it'll come bubble wrapped as it is. So this bag total was $86.16, which is actually a little bit more than what I've been getting price-wise for Ipsy the past couple of months. I was glad to see the Tatcha product, and it's funny. The way Ipsy does things is very strange. It's like either I can choose an add-on product and not pick a product, or I can pick a product and not get an add-on. Like I tried for 3 or 4 days in a row, and I clicked on like, if you scroll down, there's a thing that talks about like add-ons, and it's like Ipsy Glambag / add-on or something like that. I even tried going to that link several days in a row from like the 2nd to the 4th, trying to get the add-ons to load. They would not load for me. I could not get the page to come up. It kept redirecting me to another page. And then my bag said that they were picking my items all the way up until the 11th of March. And here it is, the 18th. And I just got it yesterday, which was St. Patrick's Day, which is very unusual because usually I get my bag about the 11th or 12th of every month. So I thought it was like odd how delayed things were with the bag this month. So those were just some observations that I had made with, you know, like the 24th or 25th, you get to pick your item, and most of the time that doesn't load at all. And then when it came the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of the month, when you're supposed to be able to like pick an add-on item, I didn't even have the option to pick an add-on item this month. The website link would not work. And then several days after that, I noticed on Twitter somebody had commented, there's like a spider on the lens, if you can see it. I'm sorry, cute little spider. That somebody had gotten their Ipsy Glambag and opened it up, and there was a spider inside their package. So I replied to the tweet and tagged Ipsy, and they were like, oh no, send us a friend request on Twitter or follow us or whatever. We'll send you a DM and blah, blah, blah. We'll get it worked out. I was like, I doubt it, because they tell me that they're going to give me like a free add-on the next month, and it never happens. They charge me for it anyways if I do pick an add-on. Or they say, oh, we'll add points to your account, and then they add points to your account and you have like 30 days to use it before the points expire. So it's like, it really is kind of a shitty situation. I like getting the items. I like testing out the items. I like getting a bunch of like random new things every month. But with the way subscription boxes are going right now, with BoxyCharm having like cheap Chinese knockoffs that are like the wrong ingredients compared to what the originals sell for. With Birchbox, they used to only send me like hair care products, and I got tired of it, so that's why I canceled that one. Sephora kept sending me the same thing every month, or every other month I'd get the same product over and over and over and over. I got the same Urban Decay lip gloss like 3 months in a row. I'm like, really? Really? I don't need 3 of the same color. So I don't know. I'm debating on whether or not I want to keep Ipsy or not. I really can't afford it right now, but a friend of mine is helping me pay for it. So it's one of those things, you know. If I could afford to pay for it for an entire year and not worry about it for an entire year for paying for it, that would be awesome. But it is what it is. So hopefully you all are staying safe where you are, and you know, the social distancing thing that everybody is doing right now. I always do social distancing. I'm always at home, so I don't really go anywhere. Like yesterday I had to take the animals to the vet and stuff, so I don't really go anywhere. And right now I'm dealing with enough crap with allergies and stuff. I don't need to deal with all the other stuff out there. People can keep their cooties to themselves. So hopefully you all are having a a nice day wherever you are. It's beautiful here. It's a little chilly, especially sitting on this cold concrete, but it is what it is. It's a nice breeze out, the sun peeking through the trees above me, and it's nice and warm, so it's beautiful. I wish I could just get on the motorcycle and just go somewhere and just go. Like, don't need to be anywhere, but you know, just get on the bike and just go. It's that beautiful. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys are having a good day wherever you are, and let me know what you think of the Ipsy Glambag. So I am officially wearing a no makeup look. I mean, I'm wearing makeup, but it looks like I'm not wearing makeup, which I guess is okay. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.